This is the Hearing Aid Gain Interactive Calculator, which computes various gain measurements for hearing aid fitting and verification. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate Insertion Gain, Calculate Prescriptive Gain, NAL-NL2, Calculate Functional Gain, Calculate Maximum Output Level, Calculate Compression Ratio, or Calculate Real Ear Insertion Gain. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Insertion Gain. The input fields include aided threshold in dBSPL, unaided threshold in dBSPL, hearing threshold in dBHL, frequency in Hz, input level in dBSPL, aided sound field threshold in dBHL, unaided sound field threshold in dBHL, uncomfortable loudness level in dBHL, safety margin in dB, real ear to coupler difference in dB, output change in dB, input change in dB, real ear aided response in dBSPL, and real ear unaided response in dBSPL. For our example, I'll use these values: aided threshold 35, unaided threshold 65, hearing threshold 55, frequency 1000, input level 65, aided sound field 25, unaided sound field 60, uncomfortable loudness level 105, safety margin 5, real ear to coupler difference 8, output change 6, input change 10, real ear aided response 85, and real ear unaided response 70. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 30.0 dB, which represents the insertion gain achieved by the hearing aid at the specified frequency. This calculator streamlines your hearing aid verification process. Find the link in the description below.